Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Humaira Khatun Mondol. I am in grade 2, group A. My age is 7. Today I'm going to say Nasheed Baba Charama. Baba Charama Noima Chara Baba Duzane Amader Shobelo Basha Baba Charama Noima Chara Baba Duzane Amader Shobelo Basha Rabbi Hamhuma Gama Rabbaya Nisagira Baba Armai Bolora Doizon Amatir Torishadani Petitamon Baba Armai Bolora Doizon Amatir Torishadani Petitamon Nindel Mohunai Shop Kisutamezai Nindel Mohunai Shop Kisutamezai Amate She Shudu Oratamena Baba Charama Noima Shara Baba Duzone Amade Shop Balobasha Baba Charama Noima Shara Baba Duzone Amade Shop Balobasha Biti beer shop ticket borrow with his son Garatumi ma baba dare korban U shop totawa Korena zano Shady gear tekar Nirosha sedan Ora should do best Oje amadir kire Balo asedekitara shuk boy nire Ora shudu bastoje amader kire Balwa setakitara shuk boy nire Shongtan shongshar rate nakakar Shongtan shongshar rate nakakar Kotota bultar tatabujina Baba charama noima chara baba Duzone amade shabala basha Baba charama